I'm working on this left side crankcase of my 01 RM125, and it had a really bad crack and hole in the bottom of it, and I started to fill it in with some JB Weld steel stick, and it's cured, and I ground it down some yesterday, but I want to get it really ground down because I'm going to put over top of it some actual JB Weld that's a lot stronger, just to make sure everything is sealed up properly. And then once that's cured, I'm going to do a leak down test in a sense, and just kind of leave some oil inside of it overnight and see if any comes out. Hopefully it's a decent fix. So what I'm going to do now is grind this stuff down more, and so let's get to that. Here's what I have after grinding it down a good bit. Feathered all the edges the best I could, and now it reveals, a few marks, which is what I wanted. I'm sorry, not a few marks, a few little holes and other little cracks I need to work on. On the inside, I'll get the light to work for me. That crack right there, I want to work on the most. So I'm going to mix up some regular JB Weld and get to work.